ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಆ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸೆಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಈ ಸೆಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹ್ಯಾಲೋ ಆಲ್ಕೇನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಹ್ಯಾಲೋ ಅರೀನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಟುಡೇ ಸೆಷನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋ ಅರೀನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋ ಆಲ್ಕೇನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಹ್ಯಾಲೋ ಆಲ್ಕೇನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋ ಅರೀನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ SN1 ಆರ್ SN2. ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ SN1 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ SN2 ಒಂದು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಸೊ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅರೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾನು 3 ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಥರ ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಫಸ್ಟು ನೀವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ರೈಟ್ ದ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಟರ್ಷರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟೈಲ್ ಬ್ರೋಮೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ aqueous NaOH ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನು, ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್, ದ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಟರ್ಷರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟೈಲ್ ಬ್ರೋಮೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅನ್ aqueous NaOH. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಕೇಳೋ ಬದಲು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, SN1 ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಆರ್ ನಾವು ರೈಟ್ ದ 2 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟರ್ಷರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟೈಲ್ ಬ್ರೋಮೈಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಟರ್ಷರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟೈಲ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್. ಸೊ 3 ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ವೇನಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್. 2 ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಪಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆಸ್ SN1 ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ 1 ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟೆಂಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. 2 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮಲ್ಲಿರೋದನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ SN1 ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಜನರಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನು, ಫಾರ್ SN1 ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಟರ್ಷರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟೈಲ್ ಬ್ರೋಮೈಡ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಟರ್ಷರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟೈಲ್ ಬ್ರೋಮೈಡ್ is a reactant. This tertiary butyl bromide when heated with aqueous NaOH, tertiary butyl alcohol is formed. Nothing but tertiary butyl bromide is reactant. This tertiary butyl bromide reacts with aqueous NaOH, again reactant, where tertiary butyl alcohol is formed, nothing but the product. Then tertiary butyl bromide is nothing but this one, CH3, CH3, CH3C, Br. This is tertiary butyl bromide. When this molecule react with NaOH, it is going to form tertiary butyl alcohol, where this Br is replaced by OH. Initially Br ittu, ee place al OH barate. So bromide gets converted into alcohol. This is SN1 reaction example. But ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್. ಸೊ SN1 reaction involves how many steps? It involves 2 steps. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, write the mechanism involved, write the 2 steps ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Step 1 is formation of carbocation, where step 2 is attack of nucleophile. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ 1ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಟರ್ಷರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟೈಲ್ ಬ್ರೋಮೈಡ್ ionizes slowly to give tertiary butyl carbocation. So this is what a tertiary butyl carbocation. ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದೆ, ಈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ನ ನೀವು ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕು. ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ 1 ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ವೇರ್ tertiary butyl bromide undergoes ionization to give tertiary butyl carbocation. Carbocation formation ಆಗಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ಇನ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ 2, the nucleophile, that is OH minus, from aqueous NaOH attacks carbocation to form tertiary butyl alcohol. ಸೊ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಕ್ಯಾಟೈನ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಕಾರ್ಬೋಕ್ಯಾಟೈನ್ OH ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ in order to form the product. This is SN1 reaction. Same SN1 reaction, let me try to write. ನಾನು ಬರ್ದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. Write the 2 steps involved in the conversion of tertiary butyl bromide into tertiary butyl alcohol. Then what is tertiary butyl bromide? Tertiary butyl bromide is CH3C, CH3, CH3Br. This is tertiary butyl bromide. This tertiary butyl bromide when treated with aqueous NaOH, it undergoes nucleophilic substitution. Substitution andre enu, this Br is replaced by OH in order to get CH3C, CH3, CH3OH. tertiary butyl alcohol is formed. So conversion of tertiary butyl bromide into tertiary butyl alcohol. So 2 steps baribeku. Let me take step 1. Step 1 enu? Step 1 is nothing but formation of, step 1 is formation of carbocation. Step 1 is formation of carbocation. Let me consider tertiary butyl bromide, that is CH3, C, CH3, CH3, Br. This is tertiary butyl bromide. It undergoes ionization. Ionization agbekadre Br minus loss agate. Hence it forms CH3, C, CH3, CH3. So illi Br with bond pair of electron hogade. Bond loss aad takshana this carbon will get positive charge. Must and should carbon mele positive charge mention madlebeku. This is step 1. And step 2. We know that step 2 is attack of nucleophile. Step 2 is attack of nucleophile. So that nucleophile is nothing but OH minus. NaOH in the OH minus irutte. So attack of nucleophile CH3, C, CH3, CH3 plus carbocation ide. For that carbocation OH minus attack ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Therefore it is going to form CH3, C, CH3, CH3, OH is formed. These are the 2 steps which are involved in the conversion of tertiary butyl bromide into tertiary butyl alcohol. So tertiary butyl bromide to tertiary butyl alcohol. Step 1 is formation of carbocation and step 2 is attack of nucleophile. So illi plus charge miss ಮಾಡಬಾರದು, illi OH minus miss ಮಾಡಬಾರದು and product. So this is SN1 reaction. Clear? Important one. SN1 reaction. Unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Next, SN2 reaction. So here, mechanism of involved in the reaction between methyl chloride and hydroxyl ion. So here, write the mechanism involved in the reaction between methyl chloride and hydroxyl ion. They have given both reactant. Then explain SN2 reaction with mechanism. Or write the mechanism or with the mechanism explain the formation of methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol is nothing but it is a product from methyl chloride. So last question alli helide illu same condition helidare. So here they have given both the reactant methyl chloride and hydroxyl ion kottidare. So here without giving anything just name of the reaction kottidare. Illi product kottidare as well as reactant kottidare. So by using this we need to write mechanism. SN1 reaction involves 2 steps, but SN2 reaction involves only 1 step. It involves only 1 step. Maximum 2 marks question keltare. Write the reaction mechanism involved in the reaction between methyl chloride or methyl bromide and hydroxyl ion. Or explain the mechanism involved in SN2 reaction anta 2 mark question keltare. Then what is SN2 reaction? When methyl chloride is heated with aqueous NaOH, methyl alcohol is formed. When methyl chloride heated with NaOH, methyl alcohol is formed. Illi methyl chloride alli CH3Cl ide. NaOH treat ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ the Cl which is present in methyl chloride is replaced by OH in order to form CH3OH, and this is the simple reaction. We call it as general reaction. So SN2 reaction alli enide. So here we have taken CH3Cl, methyl chloride. This methyl chloride when treated with hydroxyl ion, that is OH minus. This OH minus is from Na plus. The Cl which is present in methyl chloride is replaced by OH minus in order to get CH3OH, methyl alcohol is formed, and this is SN2 reaction. Then what about mechanism? So now here you can observe, according to SN2 reaction, the nucleophile OH minus attacks the carbon atom from the side opposite to the chlorine atom. So chlorine atom ಏನಿದೆ ಅದರ opposite side ಇಂದ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಬರೀಬೋದು, ಇಟ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ರೇರ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್. In transition state, carbon to OH bond is formed and partial carbon to chlorine bond is broken. So carbon to chlorine bond partial ಆಗಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Similarly, carbon to OH bond partially form ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. This is unstable. So loss of chlorine takes place in order to form methyl alcohol. So this is simple SN2 mechanism. So ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, initially there is one molecule, for molecule OH attack ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore, it is going to form carbon to OH partial bond, carbon to chlorine partial bond break ಆಗಿದೆ. So next step ಅಲ್ಲಿ Cl remove ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, hence it forms the product. So mechanism of SN2 reaction, mechanism of SN2 reaction. Now you can observe. So I'm going to take methyl chloride CH3Cl. This is methyl chloride. For this methyl chloride, OH attacks from a rear side or from back side. Chlorine ಏನಿದೆ, chlorine opposite side ಗೆ OH attack ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Hence it is going to form OH, C, Cl, H, H. A transition state is formed. We know that all transition states are unstable. From that unstable transition state, Cl loss ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Cl loss ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ, we end up with OH, C, H, H, H. So here ನೀವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, CH3Cl, CH3Cl when treated with OH minus, it forms CH3OH. Conversion of methyl chloride into methyl alcohol by using hydroxyl ion or in presence of NaOH is called as SN2 reaction, and this is the mechanism which is involved in SN2 reaction. Clear? You can go through it once. So next question over. Now, so one more important one. Reaction using thionyl chloride. Thionyl chloride is nothing but SOCl2, and this reaction is called as Darzin's reaction. Okay. So complete the following ಅಂತ ಒಂದು simple reaction ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, or explain Darzin's reaction. 1 or 2 mark question. So what is Darzin's reaction? Darzin's reaction is nothing but, it is a reaction which is used to prepare haloalkanes. To prepare haloalkanes from alcohols. So here alcohol is, I have taken C2H5OH. This ethyl alcohol when treated with SOCl2, thionyl chloride in presence of pyridine, this OH is replaced by Cl in order to get C2H5Cl. So here byproducts are always sulfur dioxide and HCl. So general reaction or explanation, when an alcohol is heated with thionyl chloride in presence of pyridine, alkyl chloride is formed, and this reaction is known as Darzin's reaction. So general reaction ನಾನು ಬರೀತೀನಿ. So here we are going to consider alcohol. This alcohol molecule when treated with thionyl chloride, that is SOCl2. So OH is replaced by Cl in order to get RCl plus SO2 plus HCl, and this reaction we call it as Darzin's reaction, or preparation of alkyl halide by using thionyl chloride. Okay. So next, most important one, Finkelstein reaction or Schwarz reaction. Again, between Finkelstein reaction and Schwarz reaction, you people can expect one question. So ಇದಾದರೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದಾದರೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ either for 1 mark or 2 mark ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Next, what is Finkelstein reaction? Finkelstein reaction as well as Schwarz reaction both are examples of halogen exchange reaction. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು halogen ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ನಿಂದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Finkelstein reaction ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, we have Rx. We know that X is an example of an halogen. Rx when treated with NaI, we are going to get Ri. Nothing but the X which is present in alkyl halide is replaced by iodine. So iodine in the replace agi alkyl iodide formation aitu andre, that is an example of Finkelstein reaction. Finkelstein reaction is nothing but it is a reaction which involves the formation of alkyl iodide by treating haloalkane with sodium iodide. Then what about Schwarz reaction? Schwarz reaction nodi, here we have taken CH3Cl. When this treated with mercurous fluoride, it is going to form CH3F. So again ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಯಿತು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ Cl ಇತ್ತು ಆಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡಲ್ಲಿ. That molecule when treated with any other which is having fluorine, we are going to get fluorine derivatives. Iodine derivatives ಬಂತು ಅಂದರೆ that is Finkelstein. If we are going to get a fluorine derivatives, then it is Schwarz reaction. So now alkyl iodides can be prepared by the reaction of alkyl chlorides with sodium iodide in dry acetone. Okay, complete the following. ಅಥವಾ ಜನರಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಅಯೋಡೈಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಅಯೋಡೈಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So here we have taken on example CH3Cl. This molecule when treated with NaI, this Cl is completely replaced by iodine in order to get CH3I. Instead of this one, let me take one more example. So let me have C2H5Br, ethyl bromide. This ethyl bromide molecule when treated with NaI, that is sodium iodide, ಇಲ್ಲಿ Br ಏನಿದೆ, this Br is replaced by I, therefore the product is C2H5, I is formed along with the formation of NaBr. So this is what we call it as Finkelstein reaction, halogen exchange method. Another one, Schwarz reaction. In Schwarz reaction, we are going to prepare alkyl fluorides. Alkyl fluorides can be synthesized by heating alkyl chloride or bromide in presence of a metallic fluorides such as AgF, Hg2F2, COF2 or SbF3. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So when any alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide treated with metallic fluorides, we are going to get alkyl fluoride, and that reaction we call it as Schwarz reaction. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಜನರಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ನೀವು ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ Rx. ದಿಸ್ Rx when treated with AgF, metallic fluoride, we are going to get, so Rx when treated with AgF, X is replaced by F in order to get Rf plus AgX. So preparation of fluorine derivatives by treating haloalkane with silver fluoride or any metallic fluoride is called as Schwarz reaction. Clear? You can go through it once. Darzen's reaction, Finkelstein reaction, Schwarz reaction. Okay guys, this is about Darzen's reaction, Finkelstein reaction and Schwarz reaction. Next one, Woods reaction, Woods-Fittig reaction, and another one is the Fittig reaction. So again between Woods reaction, Fittig reaction and Woods-Fittig reaction, one question expect ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು for 2 mark. ತುಂಬ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ಲು. First let me explain what is Woods, what is Woods-Fittig and what is Fittig. So if Rx when treated with another mole of Rx, we are going to get RR. So both alkyl halides ittu andre, that type of reaction we call it as Woods reaction. If both are aryl halides, ಎರಡು ARX ittu andre, we are going to get AR. This is what we call it as Fittig reaction. If 1 mole of aryl halide plus 1 mole of alkyl halide bantu andre, we are going to call that reaction as Wurtz-Fittig reaction. If both the molecules are haloalkanes, Wurtz reaction. If both the molecules are haloarenes, Fittig reaction. One is haloalkane, one is haloarene, then we call it as Wurtz-Fittig reaction. So then what is Wurtz reaction? Wurtz reaction is nothing but when an alkyl halide is treated with metallic sodium in presence of ether, it gives corresponding higher alkane. So just ನಾನು use ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ alkyl halide use ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Alkyl halide when treated with metallic sodium in presence of ether. So now example, we have taken CH3Cl when treated with sodium with another mole of alkyl halide. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ different alkyl halide ಆದರೂ ತಗೋಬೋದು, or you can take same alkyl halide. Okay, so you consider this one as C2H5. So C2H5Cl plus 2Na when treated with C2H5Cl, sodium in presence of ether treat ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ C2H5 is formed along with the formation of NaCl. So this reaction is nothing but C2H5Cl plus 2 molecule of Na plus one more Cl C2H5 reaction ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. No, this much is eliminated. ಏನು eliminate ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 NaCl eliminate ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So then we end up with C2H5. This is what we call it as butane. Okay, this reaction is called Wurtz reaction. So in general, this reaction is nothing but Rx when treated with 2 moles of Na plus 1 more Rx. So again, X eliminate agate. We are going to end up with higher haloalkane, that is R and R. So reactants alli ಏನು alkyl group ಇರುತ್ತೋ alkyl group formation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then second one, Wurtz-Fittig reaction. So here you can observe aryl halide coupled with alkyl halide. So it is a reaction between one aryl halide with one alkyl halide in presence of sodium in ether solution. So here we have taken general aryl halide. It is represented as ARX. This aryl halide molecule when treated with sodium with RX alkyl halide in presence of ether. So Na ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Okay, the Na molecule halogen ಜೊತೆ eliminate ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore X is replaced by R in order to get this one. Okay, these type of reactions we call it as Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Then one more is there, Fittig reaction. So Fittig reaction involves both the molecules of aryl halides. So haloarenes reacts with sodium metal in dry ether to give higher arenes. These reactions are called as Fittig reaction. So ನೀವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ 2 moles of haloarene treated with NaX is eliminated in order to get higher arenes, that is diaryl derivative. So here we have taken an example. So example alli I have taken chlorobenzene. When 2 chlorobenzene molecules treated with sodium eliminated, one benzene to another benzene bond agate, hence it forms biphenyl. So this is about Fittig reaction. You can go through it once, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay. So ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕಲಿಬೋದಂತಹ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಸೊ ಇದಾದಮೇಲೂ ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋದಾದರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಫಿಲಿಕ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಬ್ರೋಮಿನೇಷನ್, ನೈಟ್ರೇಷನ್, ಸಲ್ಫೋನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ haloarenes. One more important question, aryl halides are less reactive than alkyl halides ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ನೋಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ವಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ Fittig reaction. So Fittig reaction is nothing but the reaction in which 2 haloarene molecule react with sodium in dry ether to give higher arenes. So another one is Woods reaction. Woods reaction involves the reaction between two alkyl halide molecules to get higher alkanes. Woods-Fittig reaction involves the reaction between haloarine and haloalkane. And another one, Darzon's process. Darzon's reaction is nothing but it is a preparation of alkyl halide by the reaction of alcohol with thionyl chloride. Then Finkelstein reaction. Finkelstein reaction is nothing but it is a reaction to get iodine derivative by treating it with sodium iodide with haloalkenes. So any alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide when treated with sodium iodide, we are going to get alkyl iodide. Another one is Swartz reaction. In Swartz reaction, when alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide when treated with metal fluorides, we are going to get alkyl fluoride, and this reaction is known as Swartz reaction. Then SN2 reaction with the mechanism, and then we studied SN1 reaction with mechanism. And this session is about haloalkanes and haloarenes. So in haloalkanes and haloarenes, between SN1 and SN2, one question compulsory irate. Between Swartz reaction and Finkelstein reaction, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು between these three for 2 mark or 1 mark. So between Woods reaction, Fittig reaction and Woods-Fittig reaction, again ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ 5 to 6 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ haloalkanes and haloarenes. Okay guys, this is about this session. So next session ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡುವ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ದೇ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರಿ.